It has been an exciting day being able to discuss with leading scientists on what are the upcoming trends, and there's so much traction on the AI/ML front that were over capacity in most of the sessions during the day.
We had a really fruitful day, a lot of productive conversations around AI and drug discovery, how AI can promote drug discovery pipelines. So it was a really successful day.
Very good day. I enjoyed a lot of the roundtables, and I focused on areas of AI, gentrification. It's great to sort of talk to additional people in the field and get a sense of where the state of the art is with other people and what they are learning and applying to their own drug discovery programs.
We take a look to what's coming up in terms of technologies, and as you can imagine, AI and machine learning is a big part of what we discussed today so far. So I would recommend this to colleagues that want a local conference to attend. This is very highly recommended.
Attended a couple of roundtable as well as around integrated drug discovery, and they are quite insightful to learn diverse views from the entrepreneurs on how they run their programs and how AI/ML is helping think differently on their approaches to new research.
It's been a really good day. I had a nice time at some of the discussions. The roundtable especially was pretty interesting. It's been good to meet some of the vendors and catch up and chat with them, see a few old friends.
Yes, they were very good. This is my second year attending this conference, and I find it a great way to really get a pulse from the various other people and in the industry, and to cast a wider net, see what all is going out there. It was very helpful.
It's very nice. It's a nice venue to socialize and learn from the colleagues on bias information. It's a great opportunity to share your challenges in your job while keeping at the same time your company information proprietary, and sharing what is public information from either from the company or from literature. And great discussions, lots of talent comes and joins these sessions. They share their viewpoints and as well as some thoughts on how to solve and address issues. And of course, also
it was really productive. One thing I liked about this conference is the roundtables. And that was really like an interesting format that stimulates discussions with other experts in the industry.
So Crescent had a roundtable here where we met with 5 different people in the industry to talk about what drug candidates they might be working on, what modalities they're specializing in, and we really enjoyed those conversations with the prospective customers and current customers that we met with.
It was helpful as I knew some of the vendors, and so it was good to catch up with them and just explain some of the things we've been doing, hear some of the new products as well from them.
Very, very helpful. I've got some follow-up meetings scheduled to learn more about the various products and services.
Very good. I've talked to a couple of different CROs and a couple of vendors about all the other work that they provide.
The level of diversity is quite good, and I could see people coming in from the investment side as well, which is a nice addition to the way Proventa has been conducting these meets, and we'll see that more and more of these investors showing up will only reflect on the strength of the event.
Yeah, I thought it was quite good. A number of different fields, number of different experience levels, number of different levels within the company as companies, so very useful.
In general, I think it was very reasonable, kind of what I was expecting for a biotech conference. High level of diversity, I guess.
There was a lot of diversity at the event, which is great to see across different modalities and different spaces, and people from all sorts of places as well.
Oh, excellent. Everyone from pharma to small biotech to different vendors in the area. It's a good representation of the diversity of drug discovery in the Boston area.
very diverse. People from all over the US and also from other parts of the world. So lots of background differences and also levels. That's very important. So from people that work heavily in the lab to CEOs. So that's this is very broad. So it's great to have that in a meeting.
Networking has been one of the hallmark of what we come to for, and the networking event was quite meaningful. We were able to meet several decision makers who were able to give us guidance on how their outsourcing strategy looks like and hopefully that helps us find a way to build partnerships with these key pharma and biotech buyers.
Very nice. So everybody's willing to socialize with colleagues, and I just sat in the table and people joined and started conversations, and you get to learn a little bit about what they do and also where are they located in the country or overseas.
Of the networking, well, it's as in most conferences, I connected with a few people from big pharma and a few investors. It's a relatively standard cohort.
Of course.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, sure.
Absolutely.
Yes, I come back. This is my 4th time coming.
Yes, I would. We had a great experience, so thanks again to Proventa.
Of course, we look forward to be a partner with Proventa opportunity.
I enjoy these meetings. It's a good mix of the roundtable discussion and the catching with the vendors. And it's also, I appreciate the small size. That's actually a good way to meet everybody also.